Lady Falcons.
No
versus
shiny Tura on the side of the
Blazers.
Adamson Lady Falcons, but still a starter. Itong sila sa Gaysay, Tudao, Dotem. But right now, Mordi, report of the starting six. Makakasama din natin si Barrera, Segi, and Manuel. Meanwhile, on the other side for Benil, we have Basarte, Nolasco, Inocentes, Katarig, Yeses, Bartolome, and Dorog. Again, earlier, Pound keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. Early activation para kay Bartolome. Ganda namang atake para dito kay Tudao. Of course, led by Zam Nolasco for them. Pero hindi rin natin may tatanggi, no, na isa din sa naging strength naman ng Adamson nung nakaraang laro nila kontra UP. Yung middle blocker sila. Galing naman kay Tudao.
And of course, Dote, Tudao, that performance was definitely one for the books.
Earlier, 3 consecutive points para dito sa side ng Adamson, pero back-to-back na puntos naman. See here, this block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. For Adamson, coverage yung hahanapin natin dito to the women in green. Nolasco cross court. CSB ang aangat dito ng isang puntos. Earlier, Adamson was on top here by 3 points, but that
Smart move, dropping that ball sa likod ng blockers before the libero could even, of course, your body, even if how much you take care of it, meron talagang mga setbacks, but it's really good that they see it as gapan agad.
This serve of the game is brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50
Naka-intense yung rally.
Pero discover nga natin na nonchalant sa loob ng court si Craig Katarig. Pero in reality, no?
Oo, iba pala, baliktad pala ng personality niya.
After that attack, great feed.
Saw that area sa likod. Segi was a setter going to an opposite spiker.
So definitely, these players really have that versatility. Pero as the first ball is present, as you see a different angle, but Mordi usually first set or nung second set nung nakaraang laro nila, hindi masyado pero bandang dulo.
Pag umiinit na yung lahat, grabe, unstoppable na.
Meanwhile,
blockers ng Benil that last sequence.
Credit mo yung mga salba din ng bola dito, no, on the side of Benil, pero agad nasasagot at ibaba.
See that hitting the arm of Nolasco. Layo ni Nolasco.
For CSB, Zen Basilio. Replacing Basarte. Choosing Ash. Immediately. Correction now here on the side of the Lady Blazers. Basilio kneeling setup. No. Sapienza reverses. That dig will keep things alive. Lot of miscommunications here for Benil. And Rocha banks that one in. Arte, she'll try to calm things down for the Lady Blazers. Barrera adjusting. Picked up by Chin. At Kyle, yes. They'll tie things up.
Awkward. I can attest, medyo awkward yung sequence.
25 all, chansa para sa Lady Blazers. Basarte to Bartolome. Back-to-back points for the incoming rookie. Struggle even in that first ball. Mordi. Great pickup. That defense. Yes. No. Manuel. What a save. Mordi denied. Trying to play catch up. Benil. The wrap. And ensure set number 1.
With that strong block.
Coming from behind, set number 1 para sa College of St. Benilde. They are not backing down. This set is brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza here at Shakey's. Pascon puts it away early. First here by a point after we were deadlocked at 3 earlier. Then Singh hammering that one through.
Good attack by Den. As we can see in this replay, ang taas ng vertical eh. Good three.
Andangan with that drop. Sapienza. Seo. Back-to-back points. Pacers. Back-to-back points for them. Zen. They go to Kai, denied. One-hand save, courtesy of Basilio. Long ball. And this would mean chance para sa Lady Blazers. Zen goes to Ondangan. What a dig. Aseo on the other hand. Defense alive. Chance once again for the Lady Falcons. They go to Aseo.
Good attack by Aseo, and definitely the F. Dapat naka-adjust na yung Adamson dito sa palo ni Densing.
Although Red Bascon will be
Open area.
4 points for Red Bascon. Densing on the other hand, literally hammering that one through. Gabby was always coming off the bench, and she would have two roles, either a middle blocker or an opposite spiker. And right now, you would really feel that she has evolved. She has improved. Din basahin ng mga setups itong si Sapienza para sa Adamson. But Densing is unstoppable. Another reverse setup. They go to Rocha, left all alone.
Sapienza. Open na siya banda. Tinalon niya pa at ni-reverse set.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Or credit that point as well para dito kay Sapienza. With guard at the net. Point para sa Benilde. Even in those those numbers during round number 2. 3-point game, denied.
Adamson, Lady Falcons.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
May sinasabi na siya. And sinasabi niya kanina, oo is not enough. You have to execute every time you say, payan.
Pagkapipayan. Aseo.
Good.
Basarte. Yeses. Down the line, challenging Rocha in that sequence.
Momentum kung kanino mapupunta.
Olasco. Aseo with a pickup. Sagaysay to Bascon.
Good choice. Red Bascon, really red. That yan na hindi ready si Dorog sa defense. And of course, merong butas sa gitna ng block. Ni Nolasco and ni Densing. So, it's a great call for Red.
Now Adamson will be taking on set number 2, 25-20. Aces with 4. This set is brought to you by Shaggy's. From era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and they go to Bascon above the blockers.
Bascon, aggressive. And just a good idea to check that ball. Kahit nasa taas na siya eh. She could have hit that there.
Cutting the lead by just a point. They go to Densing. Kai on the other side.
Check ball.
Still on top here by a point. At service ace.
Wala yung errors nila last set, but it was the collaborative effort of Rocha, Bascon, and the good orchestrating of Sapienza that really gave them that.
Struggle pa sa first ball. Sapienza to Aseo.
Check ball will be caught.
The women in white, Basarte reverses, binigay kay Densing. May coverage naman para sa CSB. Tudao. Red will be sending the ball over. Regalo para sa Benilde. Nolasco.
That's
4 points. Go to Zam with that drop. Nabasa. In quarterfinals game, batiin lang din po namin lahat ng mga nanonood sa aming live stream channels on Facebook, on YouTube. 4-point game here in set number 3. 1 set apiece, but the momentum is obviously on the side of the Lady Blazers. Faye to Francis. Picked up by Aya. You go to Lieses, denied. Coverage present. Sagaysay to Abby this time. Unfortunately, that's going to be an attack error.
And they're really struggling with their first ball, which is ni-remind na kanina ni Coach JP na they really have to have that first ball for them to be able to make plays.
Coverage courtesy of Manuel. Mordi to third. Scramble defense resulting to a set point here. 24-15. At nabantayan na nga itong galawan nito daw. Result after that solid denial.
You can see here from the replay.
Naman sa Adamson. This set is brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza here at Shakey's. Then Sing with
their first reception.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart, our way, our rule. At di na nga nagawa ng paraan yun after that service. Chin to Zam. But that connection wouldn't work. Mordi with an exclamation point.
Pero yung sinasabi natin, Daphne.
9 points for Zam Nolasco. Long cut. That would still work for Joy.
And third to Dow. But it's Joy Aseo who's doing the points here, or the numbers for Adamson. Yep.
Chin to then Sing. No. You go to Joy again. Long cut right on the line. Tinuro pa.
Magic hands na para lumabas na sa court and get that point for Adamson.
Then Sing with that swipe. A chance to
play.
Basilio reverses. Binigay kay Clyde. Sent back to her. Aseo.
Butas ang block ng C. Finding that hole in the middle of the blockers.
Not sure if I counted it right, but 19 points for Joy. Basarte to Densing. Picked up by Mordi. Joy with that drop this time. No. Yeses. Sent back to Benilde. Go to Aya. Great pick up. Pero error yan para kay Aseo this time. Shifter. Service error dito para sa Adamson. Binigay kay Mordi. Segi from the right pin. Great read with that down the line. Basarte, bomb set. Binigay kay Densing. Shiny Tura played, but right now not suited in today's game because of an injury. Pero ayan.
There will be a check ball.
And to extend this into a 5th and deciding setup. At ganun na nga ang magiging istorya.
For watching.
Hello, Madam. Mikey Abuek. 20. Yun na yung sinasabi natin. 10 points for Francis Mordi. Bartolome on the other hand, off the bench.
is an important part.
Ang hirap din ang job no, ng mga players will be coming off the bench. Tapos fifth set, crucial. Ikaw yung
Oo.
pagsaservicein. Really a difficult task.
No one was there to get... Good 1-2 play by Sapienza.
Actually pushing the ball over. At naba PSB. Sapienza choosing Morty with a push. On the right pin, Segi will be denied. Basarte choosing Densing. Great coverage coming from Dorog. Sapienza. Aseo, meanwhile, back-to-back points for the Lady Falcons. Great serve coming from Camila. They go to Densing again. 4 points.
Percentage player ng Binil dito si Densing. Pero papakitang gilas din tong si Tudao.
Looking for third Tudao in this game. But with a quick setup. Basilio. Crucial error there.
Tama na.
Basarte. Zamnolasco. And that's it.
Do you send the last ball to end this match? Rating of the plays. Kasi grabe. Ang layo ng hinabol, ang layo ng mga ball.
Final scores po natin, 28-26, 20-25, 25-15, and 19-25, and 15-12. Still alive, itong CSB Lady Blazers.